All right, folks. This is on a Honda Civic, but it matters to every car, year, make, and model. You guys ever had a grinding noise after a place changed the brakes for you? Okay, and all they did was just the brake pads. All right, just the brake pads alone, not going to solve your problem, because after a couple of months, it's going to make noise because they never changed the rotors. Look at the rust on this rotor here. Look at the grooves that are in the rotor. Okay, so the customer complaint is that as you're driving, you hear like that, especially when you come to a stop. Okay, now if you look at the brake pads have plenty of meat in there. Okay, so this is, I want to say this brake pad, depending on how long it's been driven, good 4 months. Okay, but you see they didn't change the rotors. See the rust here, creeping up here. Can't see the back because they got the backing plate, but the back is probably just as worse. Okay, now watch when I spin it. It's like I spin it this way for you. You hear that? If you hear the tone is not the same all the way around, it gets louder at a certain point, and it kind of stops. So it's probably warped, or the rust took over a certain spot. Look at this spot right here. This area right here. See, there's more. Okay, compared to this spot. You see? So now, every time it goes and hits that spot, it makes a different noise. And it kind of stops. Can't spin it all the way around. Okay? So there's a problem right there. Okay, there's your little noise every time it gets to that point. Okay? Plus you can see got a lot of heat cracks starting to come up. Alright. Let me check the other side for you. This other side, which is where the majority of the noise is. Look at this rotor. See that mark? Put it on this side. Okay? The brake pads are actually hitting that when it comes around. Watch when I spin it around here. When it gets to that point, when that gets to that pad, it actually jams up. See it? Alright, there's that point right there. Let's go around. It's at 5 o'clock now. 7. Now watch when it comes this way. The rotor actually comes to a stop. See it? You gotta go past it. See? So that's your noise right there. And that's your little problem. That's gonna heat up a lot faster than the rest of the rotor. Okay? And of course that's gonna make it warp even more. But if you look, the brake pads, look at that right there. They're almost new. Okay? So yeah, when you go to these places and they say, oh, we can change the brake pads for you. Now make sure they change the rotors. Alright? Gotta do it as a set. Half-assed jobs end up costing you more because now you come to a guy like me and can't just change the rotors, even though the pads are new. I always put new pads with new rotors because I'm not going to put the old stuff. Because remember, if the car has a problem, I'm not going to put the old stuff on with new rotors. Because this probably here is probably cracked too if you look at the linings. Alright? So, it is what it is, people. What's that old saying? You can pay me now, or you can pay me later. Alright? Ciao.